everybody, how are you all doing? It's been a while, right? Yeah, it's almost 4 months. Now, this is that time of the year where we talk about hot chocolates, marshmallows, Santa Claus, snowflakes, whatnot. This is the Christmas season, the last of the Burr month, December, and it is only 15 sleeps until Christmas. So, it's too late. Still, I'm gonna make my Christmas tree up today. So, come, let's have a small festive vibe over here. So now this is the base of the tree. It was sleeping in the box for last 1 year. So we have to make it alive. So first process is just to fluff the tree, fluff this portion. So as in we go, before we put the other portions, if you do the fluffing, that will be easier apparently. So that's what the Christmas tree experts say. So I'm gonna do that now. Little fluffing. Ta-da! Here comes the second portion of the tree. Okay, now the tree is a bit more taller. So again we repeat the process of spreading the leaves. They say the key is to spread the lights all over the branches nicely. So suppose these fingers are branches, my reindeer. So this has to be like this, then this, then this, likewise apparently. So I'm going to try to do it all over the tree. Lights are set on the Christmas tree. It was the most tiring process. Oh, it took almost an hour. Okay, now the fun part begins. The bubbles. So I am going to start with the baubles. This is the textured silver one. It's glossy. I'm going to put it here. Time to put some snowflakes on the tree. I got it from Daiso. So, hey, so as you can see, the tree is almost completed. We have put all the ornaments. How is it looking? I was talking about a different color theme, right? This is the color theme I was talking about. I wanted something with nude shades and little bit of silver and little bit of faded golden. Yeah, so I could not get all the colors which I wanted, but whatever which was quite close to those shades, I picked up those, and then this is how it turned out. Like it. And all these last years, what I was doing is I was doing all it wrong. I was putting the Christmas, not the Christmas, the star first. Apparently, the star has to be placed at the end. So now everything is completed. I had to put the star. Then yeah, the gift wrapping is not yet started. I need to pick up the gift and do the wrapping. That will be later. And I didn't have a Christmas tree skirt, so I had a throw which is matching to the shade. I just put it under the tree. So let's put the star and bring the Santa Claus, and then come, let's do it. Our star is in place. I'm going to put the light on. Shall I? Are you guys ready? Excited? It has battery, so let me light it. I don't know how it's going to look like. Sorry. Yeah. See this? Isn't it beautiful? I like it. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. I love this tree. Have you liked this tree? Please comment below. And next 30 days, this tree is gonna make me really happy. And thank you all of you for watching this video, and wishing you all Merry Christmas much in advance. And please stay connected, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that small subscribe button. It means a lot to me. So till we meet next time, stay safe, take care, goodbye, bye.